Welcome back to my channel. In my previous tutorials, I talked about advantages and disadvantages of two measure of central tendencies, which are the mean and the median. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about advantages and disadvantages of mode, which is the last part of the measure of central tendency. Fourthly, advantages of mode. Number one, unlike the median, only the number with highest frequency is taken into account. So the number with highest frequency means that the number that occur most in the data set. Number two, it requires no calculation for an ungrouped data set. Number three, like the median, it is not affected by an extreme value. What is extreme value? We talked about the extreme value more when we are talking about the advantages and the advantages of mean. Extreme value is otherwise known as outlier. Outlier is the data set that one data is completely different from the rest data. Take for instance, we have a set of data that maybe age of students in a class that ranges between 2 to 5 years. Among the students, we have a 15-year-old student. The number is too outrageous. The 15 years among those students is too outrageous. So the data is known as outlier or extreme value. Number four, it is mostly used for qualitative data. Whereas the rare measure of central tendency they can be used for calculate quantitative data set and the rest. Now that is that about the advantages of mode. Now the disadvantages of mode. Number one, it does not lead the set to further mathematical calculation. Arrangement of data set is tedious. Take for instance, if you have a data set like 100 samples, you want to arrange it manually without using Excel or other software. It's going to take a while before the data can be arranged in either ascending or descending order. That is why it is stated that the arrangement of data set is tedious. If two or more values of the variable reappear equal, often there will be two or more modes. Take for instance, this data set we have 3, 6, 3, 3, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. After arranging it in a ascending order, we have 3, 3, it occurs 3 times, then 6, 6, it occurs 3 times. These are the two modal value. In a situation that we have two modal value in the data set, it is known by bimodal. But in this situation now, if you are out to select which one are you going to pick as the mode, that is one of the disadvantages of mode. If you find the content of this tutorial helpful, like my tutorial, subscribe to it, and press notification bell to be notified whenever new tutorial is being released. Thank you very much. Bye.